Hi guys, my name is Alex and I'm a mobile mechanic in Los Angeles area. Today I'll show you how to do an oil change on your Range Rover. This procedure would be pretty much the same for full-size Range Rovers or Range Rover Sport with 3.0 or 5.0 supercharged engines. For this job you will need 8.5 quarts or 8 liters of oil, oil drain plug, oil filter and oil filter range. The links you can find in the description below. Land Rover recommends using Castrol oil for past 10 years. For cars produced before 2015 you have to use 5W20 Castrol oil. You can find this information on the cap. For the cars produced after 2015 you have to use 0W20. There are two ways how to remove the oil from the engine. First way is removing the oil from this port. There is a tube that goes all the way to oil pan, and for this you will need a special extractor to suck the oil out. I do not recommend that method because you can accidentally leave some oil in your engine and later overfill it. If you go that way, please measure how much oil came out. The second way is removing oil drain plug. Old school, I prefer that method, so let's do it. First of all, I'll raise the suspension to off-road mode. Always secure your vehicle with jack stands, it's your safety. To get more room underneath, I'll make some kind of trick. I'll put the suspension into extended mode. How to do it? I just simply push it down, the car hits jack stands, and it goes up into extended mode. Next step is removing metal shield. So in order to do it, you need to remove all 15mm bolts around. Using 15mm wrench, remove 2 bolts in front. Okay. This one out, and the last one is right there. Here we can find 13mm drain plug. So let's take it off and drain the oil. Be careful, it's kind of dirty job. Till the oil is draining, let's replace the oil filter. So first of all, lift up the engine cover. Pretty simple. And locate your oil filter. You can find it right here. Using oil filter wrench, remove the oil filter cap with the oil filter itself. Let's install it. It's right here. I recommend you to put some towels around. Carefully remove the filter. I recommend using Land Rover OEM oil filter. The main reason is this O-ring. You definitely don't want it leaking. Simply remove the old filter, put it aside, replace the O-ring. Remove the old one, install a new one, and make sure it sits properly on its spot, right there. You don't want it leaking, remember that. Can you see those two snaps? They go to these spots, those two or those two. So let me show you. Locate it like that, and you'll hear a click. Okay. Yep. Do not forget to lubricate all three O-rings, those two small ones and the big one. Do it with fresh oil, new fresh oil. So let's do it. Not too much, just a little. I'll take more. And now we're ready to install it. Just give a little light snug. That's it. Every time you do an oil change, replace the drain plug with O-ring. It's one-time use. Every time. Replace it. The same thing, give a light little snug, do not over tighten it. And that's it. Now we're ready to install metal shield back. Let's do one in the middle. And install the rest of them. and 2 in front. It's time to put new oil. 3.0 and 5.0 supercharged engines hold 8.5 quarts of oil. I'll start with 8, then I'll check the level and add some more if needed. Five quarts are in. Let's put 3 more. Next 3. Eight quarts in. We have to wait about 10-15 minutes, then check the level and see if we need some more. While I'm waiting, I'll put the cover back. So here you can see 2 slots. Line up the coverage with those 2 slots and push it down. Do not start your car, turn ignition on, and using these buttons go to service menu and oil level. Oil level is good. The last thing is to reset service reminder, and I'll show you how. Turn off the ignition, turn it back on, make sure your hood is open, locate both feet on both pedals and push the pedals all the way down. And hold for about a minute till beeping stops. Here we go. The service reminder is off. That's how you change an oil on Range Rover and Range Rover Sport. If the video was helpful and I saved just a little bit of money, please hit the like button. I really appreciate your help. I have a lot of DIYs coming soon, so please subscribe and stay tuned. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye. And last but not least, dispose your motor oil properly. We don't want to hurt our planet. Thank you.